Okay, so we go to on the cloud. I referred to this point explicitly in one of the slides about the computing. The first time we see some interactions from the user level, from a network function level to a resources or a computational domain. So 6G comes with this idea that you may be able to discover or to ask for provisioning for a specific computational environment to deliver a specific service. And that can be valid for the AI use cases, for any kind of rendering, gaming. And it includes or it mandates a coordination between the communication network, between the data network, between the mobile network and the computing level. For example, the cloud level. Think of the cloud like cloud platforms, GPU as a service. So you see here, for example, one of the use cases in the industry GPP and some of the not recommendation, but some of the categories of how the mobile network can act as computing as a service provider. So, for example, let's say that this UE is doing a specific service to an application server which lies outside the network. Let's say, for example, it's a XR or VR server, and then that AS during the communication with the communication node is actually the network function. It realized that it required to provision dynamically a specific cloud environment, so it does that. So category one, where the application server does that in external to the mobile network. But in category two and in category three, what is very interesting is that if you have the computational power as a mobile operator, for example, why can't you provision this computing node for this server and then have some sort of a back-to-back billing or back-to-back revenue or back-to-back, financial transactions. So, for example, the application server, the one that provides the service, the XR or VR, can communicate via API to you as a mobile operator and start to provision a specific computational environment with some GPU requirements to facilitate or to realize the service. So this is one aspect, but other aspect that network function itself, that UE itself, the user itself can also ask for that via agent AI or via like intent based. So the idea of turning the mobile network to a computational or computing as a service provider, it is coming, and I see that I saw that in the many of the vendors' proposals and even in the 3GPP use cases.